So we have to see evolution as an entity within itself. It is a force that drives us, humanity, to become better. It drives us as human beings to look within the darkness and pull something out of it. And the rewards that we receive are brought to us in multitudes. Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. Lucid Living, where we are consciously advancing our spiritual evolution. And since this channel is about spiritual evolution, I thought I would explain exactly what that meant. The way I describe evolution can be explained quite simply through this image. The meditating man at the end is the pinnacle of man's evolution. Why? Because he does not only use technology, but he recognizes the technology within himself, looks within himself for any problem that he faces. This is the man that contemplates and integrates and therefore evolves. So how is the process of evolution? The process of evolution can be explained quite simply through looking at a diagram from this book. Basically, we make a conscious choice. We make the decision to face our discomfort, to face our fears. That's us facing our consequences. And then fear and discomfort settle as we go through the motions. And as we go through the motions, we learn, we pick up some things, and we adapt. We learn the discomfort now turns into enthusiasm, then the enthusiasm turns into confidence, and then with confidence, our personal growth slows down. And as our personal growth slows down, we become bored, and then now we have the ability to go and face a new cycle, a more expanded cycle. Now compare that to how we usually act. If we were to use the metaphor of a bicycle, we find ourselves going in circles. We're not going anywhere. We're just doing the same thing, the comfortable thing. We're staying in the same area. But bikes were made so that we can explore, so that we can travel, right? And so how are we supposed to travel if we go in circles? So when we make the decision to go ahead and go to places, to the unknown, to face the discomfort, we're able to explore new realms and have greater experiences. Okay, and so you might be asking yourself, exactly what is the result, what is the reward that evolution gives us? And the reward is actually, in general, just a better life, a more enjoyable, a more fulfilling life. But I would like to go into specifics by saying that there's actually two main ones that come into mind. And that is the first one being expansion and the second one being efficiency. Efficiency and expansion. Now, what does this mean? Basically, expansion means that you are now expanding your whole being. Your soul is now embodying its true form, and its true form being that of a more connected being. You are more connected now to the plants, you're more connected to the animals, you are more connected to humans, whether you like it or not, because now you recognize that they are also you, they are also a reflection of you. And with every emotion that you feel, you recognize that you are not the only one that feels that same emotion. And so you become more understanding. Not only that, you sit at night and you look at the stars, you recognize not only the stars, but you also recognize them as them being you. And so now you basically have become the product of evolution, being that you are also now an expression of consciousness. You basically become consciousness, breaking through every single self-imposed boundary. And now we get back to the point of efficiency. Efficiency is basically us becoming more efficient at us dealing with our emotions. Life is a roller coaster, right? And we can all accept that. We can accept that there's always going to be ups and downs. But the point is here to be able to go through the ups and downs with the quickest, most efficient way possible. And that will come as a result of evolution. You basically become the superhuman that is not bothered by anything. You hear a thought, you hear emotion, you hear a feeling, whatever, and you recognize it, but you are not so much moved by it. And this is so important, as now you can actually consciously make decisions without the pressure of feeling like you are going to mess up or like you are going somewhere wrong. And with that, I leave you with this video right here. Make sure to click on it so you can keep on consciously evolving. I got you.